How to disable YouTube auto translation 2026 update. Are you tired of YouTube automatically translating video titles and descriptions into your local language, often making them sound awkward or confusing? This is one of YouTube's most persistent features designed to help with accessibility, but it can be frustrating if you prefer the original titles. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you the official 2026 methods to stop auto-translation on your computer and the Android app, along with a secret trick to handle the captions. YouTube uses your account's language and location settings to decide which videos to translate. If your settings don't match the content you watch, the AI kicks in. Here is the step-by-step fix. Step 1. Change your YouTube interface language. The most effective way to stop title translation is to set your language to English Tavadelis Simbaraman, or English UK, specifically. Open YouTube in your browser and click on your profile picture in the top right. Select language from the drop-down menu. Choose English U. Even if you are already on English, reselecting it can refresh the setting and stop the translations. Step 2. Update your location. Sometimes YouTube translates titles because it thinks you are in a different region based on your IP address. Click your profile picture again. Tap on location and ensure it matches the country of the content you primarily watch. Pro tip: if you use a VPN, YouTube may ignore these settings. Try turning off your VPN to see if the original titles return. Step 3. Disable auto-translation on Android. The YouTube app often pulls its language settings directly from your phone system. Open the YouTube app and tap your profile picture thumb right or top right depending on your version. Tap the settings General. Look for app language. If it's set to system default, change it manually to English. If this option is missing, you must go to your phone settings, System Languages, and ensure English is at the top of your list. Step 4. Turn off auto-generated captions. If it's the subtitles that are annoying you, you can disable the auto-translate feature within the player. While a video is playing, tap the settings on the video player. Tap Captions/Subtitles. Select off or ensure auto-translate is not active. To do this permanently, go to YouTube Settings, Playback and Performance, and uncheck Always Show Captions. Step 5. Clear your cache. If the titles are still translated after changing your settings, your browser is likely showing you a cached version of the page. On desktop, press Ctrl plus F5 to force a hard refresh. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, YouTube, Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Expert pro tip: if you understand multiple languages and want to stop YouTube from translating between them, go to your Google account language settings. Add all the languages you speak, e.g., English, Spanish, Hindi, under other languages you understand. Once Google knows you understand these, it will stop trying to help by translating them into your primary language. By aligning these settings, you've taken back control of your feed and can see creators' titles exactly as they intended. If this guide helped you clean up your YouTube experience, hit that like button and subscribe for more 2026 tech tips. Still seeing weird translations? Drop a comment with your country and language settings, and I'll help you troubleshoot.